Hi guys, welcome to a new video. In this video we're going to talk about how to unfollow everyone on Instagram at once. It's a new update and if that's even possible, because it wasn't possible. So let's go to my profile, the right corner, and see who I'm following. So on this account it's not much, but for example I can do it like this. Click on the bottom, I'll follow them back. But as you can see, I have to do it everyone at a time and not everyone at the same time at once. So what a lot of other videos on YouTube will say is that you have to go to the App Store and search for an unfollow Instagram app. So you have a few of them. For a lot you have to pay, as you can see. And also I would not recommend this, guys. Please don't. A lot of them use this one, but I do not recommend it. Please don't use it, because you allow these apps, these third parties apps, you allow them to give access. You give them access to your data. You give them access without your knowing, most of the time, to your photos, to your information, your analytics, everything. So please don't do it. Most of the times it are scams, and you can get banned from Instagram as well. So what you can do is go back to Instagram, click again on your account, click on the three horizontal lines, click on settings, scroll down, click on help, click on report a problem, include and continue, and then briefly explain and type, please unfollow everyone at once for me. Thank you. So you can send it, just click on send and this will send it to you. I don't want it so I won't click on send, and they will unfollow everyone at once for you. And at this point it's Instagram who does it for you. So please don't use a third party app. I can say it enough for you guys. Also, if you ask Instagram via report a problem, please be aware it can take up to 3 business days for it to work, for them to come back to you. So I hope this helps, and if you have any problem or any